Hey everyone, welcome back to Endless Money Pits. This is a 2021 Honda CRF 300L Rally, and today I'll show you how to install a giant loop exhaust shield. It's designed to put some space between the hot muffler and your luggage to keep it from melting. It's really simple to install, and the procedure will be basically the same for just about any motorcycle, so let's get to it. Here are the tools that I used for this job. Impact driver, 8mm socket, and some tin snips. The heat shield comes with one very large hose clamp for securing it to the exhaust. There are links in the description for everything I used. The first and most important step is to find the optimal location for the heat shield. Since the factory exhaust has a heat shield across the top, I put a small bend in the hose clamp to help it pass underneath. The heat shield has a slit on the top and on the bottom for the hose clamp to pass through. By the way, you can now support the channel by purchasing this awesome design available in a t-shirt, long sleeve, and a hoodie, and in a bunch of different colors as well. Check for a link in the description below. If the excess hose clamp sticks out too far, you can trim it off with some metal snips, but don't cut it too short. It also came with a little rubber piece that goes over the end of the hose clamp, so I'll replace that, but I'm not sure how long it's going to stay there. I've been making a lot of videos on the CRF 300, so check those out before you go. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more of the best DIY videos on the internet. And until next time, just keep throwing money at it.